She follows his steps from town to town. Lost in the echoes of his sound. She spends her nights behind the stage, living a dream beyond her age. She knows each note, she knows each line, every heartbeat, every sign. She loves his piano, his hands that dance, soft and slow. She trembles when he plays under the lights, lost in the haze. Oh. She lives for a glance, a stolen smile. A melody that stays a while. She drowns in every chord he weaves, in every song and every key. Ooh, yeah. She loves his piano, his hands that dance, soft and slow. She trembles when he plays under the lights, lost in the haze. Oh, yeah, yeah. And even when the curtains fall, she'll be there, dreaming through it all, holding on to notes that fade, to memories that never change. She follows his steps from town to town, lost in the echoes of his sound. Here's his piano.